Hello students, welcome back to online classes. Today we will do active English. We are going to start chapter number 4, that is me, you, him, her, it, us, them. So before I start the chapter, let's see some words. That is I, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, her, him, we, them. We often use these words our day-to-day life. So what are these words and what do we call them? These words are called pronouns. Today we will learn little bit about pronouns. A word that is used in a place of noun is a pronoun, or we can say a pronoun is a word. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. That means we remove noun and put pronoun. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. So it helps to avoid repetition. So what is noun? Let's revise. All names or naming words are nouns. Nouns are names of person, place, animal or thing. So let's see the example of pronoun. You can see the picture here. Pooja is a good cook. Pooja buys fresh vegetables every day. Pooja is sweet in nature. So here we are talking about Pooja. We are repeating the noun word Pooja again and again. So pronoun helps us to avoid the repetition. So instead of Pooja, what we will write? We have to remove noun and put pronoun there. Pooja is a good cook. She buys fresh vegetables every day. She is sweet in nature. So she is used in place of Pooja. We used pronoun she. We used pronoun she to stop repeating the name Pooja again and again. Now see, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us and them are all personal pronoun. First we will talk about the words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of the sentences. Naming part, like Mohan is there, we remove Mohan and put he. So they comes in a naming part. Now see the chart here. There are two columns. So nouns boy, men, uncle, father, brother, etc. These are male members. For male members you will use the pronoun he. Next, girl, woman, aunt, mother, sister, etc. These are female members. For female members you will use the pronoun she. Now the pronoun it. It is used for animals and things. It is used for animals and things. Animals like cat, dog, rabbits, etc. For these you will use it. And things like chair, table, pen, pencil, for all this you will use it. Okay, see here, see the pictures here. I is used when you're talking about yourself. I am Priyanka. You is used when you're talking about the person who is in front of you. You are Neha. Are you fine? The one who is in front of you, you will use you. He is used for males, I've already told you. She is used for female. It is used for animals and things. Very good. Now we is used when you're talking about yourself and the other people. Pronoun they is used when you're talking about many people. Let's see few examples. I like Nitin. Nitin is my best friend. So Nitin is a noun here. We will remove noun and put pronoun there. So for Nitin, what we will use here? Yes, we will use he. I like Nitin. He is my best friend. Instead of Nitin, we will use he. He is used for male gender. Next example, Divya has a dog. Divya named it Charlie. So here we are using the word Divya, which is noun again. So instead of Divya, what we will write? He or she? She. Very good. Divya has a dog. She named it Charlie. She is used for female gender. Let's see next example. A lion is a wild animal. A lion eats meat only. Now a lion is coming again. So what we will put there? A lion is a wild animal. It eats meat only. It. We will use it. It is used when we are talking about animal or non-living things. That means anything which is not living, which don't have life in it. Now, I and Annie love cricket. I and Annie play cricket every day. So in that case, if two people are there, and when yourself is included, when you're talking about yourself and other person, in that case we will use we. I and Annie love cricket. We play cricket every day. So here when we is used, when we are talking about ourselves and some other person or people, we use we. Let's see next example. They are my grandparents. They is used when we are talking about other person. When there are many people and we're talking about the other people, in that case we will use they. Now, the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural noun. You can also come in telling part. Let's see example. You are a boy. You here is a pronoun and you're telling that you are a boy, and you here is a singular form. Now we will see plural form of you. So the picture here, you can see the class, teacher is there and there are lot of students. You all are my students. Now teacher is referring students, and in that case there are so many. So for plural also we will use you. Now the words me, him, her, it, us, them and you are also pronouns. They come in telling part of the sentence. Now what is telling part? When you're telling something, when you're conveying something, in that time we will use me, him, her, it, us, them, you. So the picture here, nouns I, she, he, they, we. So in telling part, these pronoun changes I change into me, she change into her, he, him, they change into them, we change into us. Okay, she, you know that we are talking about female members, they, many, we is used when you're talking about yourself and other people, right? See this words here. In telling part, I is changed into me, we is changed into us, you will remain same, you will be you, he will change into him, she will change into her, it will remain same, it, they will change into them. He is used for male, female, she is used for female, it is used for animals and things, we is used for we're talking about yourself and other people, and they is used for many people. Let's see all this in examples. You can see the picture here. I am the only child of my parents. My parents love me a lot. Here, me is you're talking about yourself, me, I, myself, right? I'm talking about myself. It will not be my parents love I a lot, will be wrong. My parents love me a lot. Okay, so this is the telling part. Now you're telling that my parents love me a lot. You're telling here. So in telling part, I will become me. So me is a pronoun and a telling part. I use me when talking about myself. Now in telling part, when you're talking about myself, you will write me. You will use me. Now let's see the next example. See the picture here. This is Raju's book. Please give it to Raju. Here you can see in both the sentences the noun is coming again and again. Raju's, Raju. So instead of Raju in the second sentence, we will write, this is Raju's book, please give it to him. That you're telling that, please give it to him. Your telling part is coming here. So in telling part, we use him. Instead of Raju, we will use him. So he, him. Remember, he, him. Okay. This is very cute picture. She is my mother. I adore her. Instead of mother, we will use her. She is my mother. I adore her. Next example. Adi has pet. Now Adi has pet. It is a cat. So instead of pet, we will write it. It is a cat. Next. They are my parents. We have already done they. They are when you're talking about other person. So they are my parents. I help them. So they will change into them. When we're talking, when you're telling about other, so they will come, they will change into them. They are my parents. I help them. So when we talk about many people, we use them. Let's see one more example. Prem always writes letter to Shaurya and me. Prem always writes letter to us. When you are talking about yourself and some other people, we will use us. Let's see few examples, okay? I like horses. So what is pronoun here? I like horses. Horses don't like me. So what is pronoun here? Me. Horses don't like me. We talk to our neighbor. She talks to us. She talks to us. She, us pronoun. They listen to the teacher. They means plural form and a pronoun. They listen to the teacher. She listens to them carefully. Them is a pronoun in a plural form. Very good. You speak very quickly. You speak very quickly. You speak very quickly. You comes in a singular form here and a pronoun. We watch you on television. Let's see few sentences and now you have to answer. Okay. Ritu is with Neha. Ritu is with Neha. Ritu is telling Neha a joke. Ritu is telling Neha a joke. Ritu is with Neha. Ritu is telling Dash a joke. Now in both the sentences, noun is repeating again. So instead of Neha, what will you write? Ritu is with Neha. She is telling she a joke, her a joke. Her. Very good. She is telling her a joke. Ritu is with Neha. She is telling her a joke. Very good. Mohan is my brother. I am playing with Mohan. Mohan is my brother. I am playing with Mohan. In both the sentence, we are repeating the noun again and again. So instead of noun, we will put pronoun. Mohan is my brother. I am playing with. Now Mohan, male. For male, what we will put? Her, she, he or him? Him. Mohan is my brother. I am playing with him. Mohan is my brother. I am playing with him. Very good. We don't need to worry. We don't need to worry. Raj will join Dash tomorrow. So we, when you're talking about yourself and other person, we don't need to worry. Raj will join Dash tomorrow. So he will join us tomorrow. He will join us tomorrow. Next sentence. Rajat and Raju are best friend. Raju and Rajat are the best friend. We're talking about someone else here. So when we're talking about someone else, we use them. We use them. Rajat and Raju are best friends. Nothing can separate them. Very good. Now we will do textual exercises and you have to answer. Okay. Put a ring around the right words. I am standing next to she, her, he. Now I am standing next to. Now you're telling that I am standing next to what? She, her or he? Her. Very good. I am standing next to her. Very good. Now you can see the picture here. That boy is reading the book. Let's see. We are listening. We are listening to. Now you're telling that we are listening to he, him or we. What will come here? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? We are listening to he, him, we. Him. We're telling that we are listening to him. Very good. Next. She is carrying. She is carrying. Carrying means holding something. She is carrying what? You can see the picture here. It is a thing. For thing, what will you use? It. Very good. She is carrying it. Next sentence. He is helping. He is helping. We they, or us. Now he is telling that he is helping us. He is helping us. Very good. Next. He is sitting near. He is sitting near. Now you're telling that he is sitting near I, we, or me. He's sitting near me. Very good. Next. She is talking to they, them, or we. When you're talking about someone else, she is talking to them. She's talking to them. Very good. Next. She is pointing to you, they, or we. They, we is used for plural form, and we're talking about here single. There's one boy is there, so she is pointing you. She is pointing you. Very good. Next. They are looking at. Now they are looking at us. They are looking at us. That you are including there, you are included, and you're saying that they are looking us. They're looking at us. They are looking at us. Next question. Write me, you, him, her, it, us, or them. Write me, you, him, her, it, us, or them. It is a fill in the blanks. Okay, let's see first sentence. I have an apple. My mother gave it to. Now when you're talking about yourself, I, so what will come? Me. Yes, I have an apple. My mother gave it to me. Very good. Next sentence. Listen to Miss Rao. Listen to Miss Rao. She is talking to you. She's talking to you. You're telling that she's talking to you. Listen to Mrs. Rao. She is talking to you. Okay. Next sentence. This is Prem. This is Prem. I am standing next to. Now for Prem, what will you use? This is Prem. I am standing next to her. No. Then him. Yes. I'm standing next to him. I am standing next to him. Next. This is Maya. I'm standing next to him. No. Then her. Yes. I'm standing next to her. Yes. Next. Please sit on the chair. Please sit on the chair. Don't stand on. For chair, what we will use? For non-living things, for things, which pronoun we will use? It. Very good. Please sit on the chair. Don't stand on it. Please sit on the chair. Don't stand on it. Very good. We are listening to the teacher. We are listening to the teacher. She is telling dash a story. We will change into, now you're talking about yourself and other people. We are listening to teacher. She's telling us a story. She's telling us a story. Very good. Next. Prem and Mohan are working and I am helping. Now two people are there. We're talking about two people. They both are working. I am helping them. I'm helping them. Maya has a kitten. Maya has a kitten. She is carrying dash. For animal, what we will use? It. Yes, Maya has a kitten. She is carrying it. Very good. Next. We are listening to the teacher. We are listening to the teacher. She's talking to us. Yes, very good. We are listening to the teacher. She is talking to us. She's talking to everybody, you and other people. We are listening to the teacher. She's talking to us. I'm sure you understood the chapter very well. Pronoun. Sit back, revise it again, see the video again, revise it, learn it by heart, do the exercises at home, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.